This is the DTX Health Band. It's got 3 or 4 things really going for it. A bright screen, a really nice full-sized screen, and the ability to remotely measure heart rate, blood oxygen, and blood pressure from the app while a person is wearing this lightweight device. As you can see, we've got quite a few different capabilities, alarms, countdown timers, startup timers. You can get your notifications sent to you from your phone, remote music player, and you have an ECG capability in this one that when you activate it and touch the sides will acquire a 30-second ECG that later will tether over to your phone and send the actual heart wave chart, which is real, over to your phone. You can measure heart rate on the fly using the diodes, and of course you can measure heart rate using the ECG as well. You have last night's sleep time on this one, and even weather forecast in centigrade or Fahrenheit from your particular area. It's a really nice watch, lots of different watch faces, some that you can download from the app as well. It's called the DTX. Check it out.